Happy New Year! All the best for 2025. Really great to have you here. In this video, I wanted to show you how to make money really quickly in 2025 with AI, using AI completely, pretty much, to make money. This is also an income stream that I would recommend to anyone. It's super easy, it's always worked. It's not an income stream that's new because of AI. It's an income stream that has always worked for the last 20 years in my experience, and it is made super easy with AI. So I'm going to guide you through it. It's going to be super quick as well. Do subscribe if you like this stuff. I've got more coming on income streams with AI for 2025. Do give us a thumbs up, it lets me know that you're watching, and leave me a little comment below. Let me know how you get on with it. Let me know if any questions, and remember to pick up your 100 free AI prompts. They're prompts all around affiliate marketing and all around if you want to build your own products and make money online. So they're my 100 must-have prompts to do many of the main things that you're going to have to do if you want to make money as an affiliate. So check that out, the link's in the description, and let's get straight onto it with this income stream. I highly recommend it. It's something that you can get started with straight away. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so this income stream is completely with AI. What we're going to do is pick an affiliate product. That means that you don't have to have a product you own. You can promote it as an affiliate and receive a commission. That doesn't need to be an online product. It could be physical, and it doesn't even need to be it could be a software or a service as well. Okay, so one of the first prompts that we want to type in is, give me an affiliate product I can promote that solves a massive problem. The time is January 2025. What product niche can I promote that will genuinely solve problems for people? And you can make that a little bit better, but I just want to show you an example. ChatGPT then goes out and gives me high impact affiliate product niches to promote, and also gives me the solution, okay, recommended products to promote, and then we can take this and build an income stream. So check out some of the choices it's given me. Energy saving devices, high energy cost during the winter months, promote smart thermostats and energy monitors and so on. Air quality solutions, health and wellness products, remote work and productivity tools, personal safety, financial planning, all really themed for the new year as well. Okay, so now we've got some really good ones. The one that stuck out was obviously health and wellness, post-holiday weight gain and health concerns, because everyone will want to be losing weight for the new year. So now we've got a niche. How does the income stream work? Well, let me show you this. The next step, no matter which niche you pick, the next step is a prompt that says, give me situations where people would need help in this niche. Give me the YouTube titles and subjects to get massive traffic. The niche is, and I've just copied and pasted from the niche selection, so post-holiday weight gain, promote fitness trackers. Or you could also promote a guide on how to lose weight, or anything that fits in with that niche. But what we can do now is, I've said, give me situations where people would need help. Okay, so you're always helping someone get from A to B. So this simple income stream allows you to go into a niche, not target the same as everyone else, like lose weight fast and so on. You can pick where they are and where they want to be, and target lots of different people in the niche that will be laser targeted for the time of year in this case. So you can see that ChatGPT has gone off and given me a list of YouTube titles and video subjects. So we've got how to lose holiday weight fast, the best home gym equipment, meal replacement shakes that actually work, 5 biggest mistakes people make, 2025 diet plan for beginners, 10-minute, and so on. Okay, really good ideas here. Okay, so what do we do then once we've got them? How do we then create an income stream? Well, what we can do is we can use YouTube for traffic, or any other. Actually, we can use YouTube, but you can also use Facebook, because you can use the same video on Facebook, and also Twitter or X. Okay, so you can repurpose the content, and we can use a free AI video generator by CapCut or an equivalent. Okay, and then we only need the content for the video, and we can get all the content for the video from AI and a complete video script. Check this out. So I've put here, give me the video script for this one. Make it quality info so I can just upload it into CapCut to make the video. And then I've copied and pasted how to lose holiday weight fast. And you remember there was different topics above here. Noom versus Neurosystem, how to avoid post-holiday. So we've got an endless amount of YouTube video ideas there that are really, really good. And then the video script, we've got the title here. We've got an idea for the opening scene that we can load into CapCut. The voiceover, which you can also do with CapCut. Section 1, why fitness trackers are key for weight loss. Section 2, Fitbit Charge 6. Okay, and in this case you'd promote these products, maybe straight from Amazon or an equivalent, or if you just wanted to promote an online guide, so like specifically on how to lose weight, then you would just change the prompt a little bit and say just give me top 10 areas people would be looking for this product, and then it will give you the subjects, and you can create the full scripts and load it in with CapCut, and then you're creating a video and you're targeting it towards people that are looking for it, quality info, and then you could just do that one a day for 30 days, and that will be one of the easiest and best income streams to start building up. A couple of things that you need to bear in mind before you do it. Number one, make sure that you've got a really good niche. What constitutes a good niche, or to start if you're just starting out? I recommend a niche where you're solving a massive problem. Now that might be losing weight, that might be someone that's bodybuilding or wanting to get a six-pack and so on, but you need to know exactly who you're targeting on the biggest problem area you can think of. If the niche does not have a massive problem in it and people are not looking for a solution, that doesn't mean it's a bad niche. They might be buying something to enhance their life, but it's just harder to go into a niche and sell like that to start off with. So go into a niche with a big problem with the solution. The solution, talking about that, is always the end product. So make sure that you're promoting something legit and something that really helps. Okay, so I recommend checking out the products. You could use ClickBank products, you can use affiliate products, you could use Amazon products, but make sure the product is genuinely a good solution, because then you could do all the work and not get a sale, because if it doesn't help. Okay, so make sure that it really, really helps. And then the third thing to bear in mind is that when you go and make your videos, let's go back up here. When you go and make your videos, make sure that you're not competing with everybody, and make sure that you theme it towards one end goal to start off with. So you can see lots of different areas that we could go into here, but what you want to do is check this out: meal replacement shakes that actually work, best plans for shedding holiday pounds. Well, if you're promoting Nutrisystem or Noom and similar plans like meal replacement shakes, make your 30 videos around that. Let me just show you a really quick prompt to do that. So there's no point in you, when you're starting out, there's no point in being all over everywhere, okay, in loads of different niches. So if we're going to take meal replacement shakes as our main niche and target people that are interested in buying meal replacement shakes, like these, Nutrisystem, Noom, you can see the prompt I've put in here. Okay, I want to promote the above for 30 videos. Give me the titles and the subject so I can target top frequently asked questions and make the videos different. So you can see here, general overviews. Do meal replacement shakes actually work? Nutrisystem versus Noom. Top 5 meal replacement shakes. How to choose the right meal replacement shake for your goals, and so on. Program specific reviews, FAQs answered, but all of these going all the way down to 30 is just around meal replacement shakes. Okay, and then what you could do is, as you can see here, would you like detailed video scripts or outlines for any of these titles? And then I can start off at video 1, Do meal replacement shakes actually work? Obviously have an affiliate link for whatever meal replacement shake you're promoting, and we've got 30 videos there that we can make with CapCut by creating the scripts in ChatGPT, okay, loading in the images, loading in the video content with CapCut, and loading in the voiceover, and then we've got videos that we can create and do one a day. That is one of the easiest income streams that you can start at any time and give yourself 30 days. And as long as you're targeting really good information, as long as people are watching the video, you don't have to use CapCut. You could also do a PowerPoint presentation, or even record the screen like this. Just make sure that there's quality info, so you get it from the prompt. So when you do this, create me a video script for this video here, but make it super high quality and giving really good information. If you do that, you're going to make sales, and that's how simple it is. So go and give that a go. Let me know if any questions. Do check out your free prompts below. Do subscribe, do leave us a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.